doing good. It's Chris here from 6-string Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play Make Me a Pallet on your floor. Really hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe. If you'd like the guitar tab for this, that's available down below. And if you'd also like to get early access to all of my lessons, 25% off tabs, and you want to try out any of my fingerpicking courses for free, then you can. Just follow the link up here or down in the description. But anyway, let's get right into the lesson. Okay, so let's get into this one. First few bars go like that. It's one of those ones I can play all day. It's a lot of fun to play. So we're actually going to start on a C7. So hold that down. And I'm muting the bass notes pretty much throughout the whole thing, I think. So bear that in mind. But start by playing strings 2 and 5 on your C7. And then 3 and 4. And then we're going to our F. Okay, now I really favour thumb round the back, clamp down the first fret on the 6th string and keep your F there. But if you need to do this, then that's okay. I think it's all right, but I think this is considerably better, in my opinion. So, but whatever, you play the F how you need to play it. So with that in mind, you've got your F held down, play strings 3 and 6. And then add the 3rd fret on the 2nd string and play that with the 4th string. And then lift that back off to the 1st fret on the 2nd string. So. Okay, and then the bass, 6th string, and then strings 3 and 4 together. So there you've gone. Okay, and then we do that again. So on the F, strings 3 and 6, add the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, play that with the 4th string, and then play the 2nd string 1st fret, and then bass, and then strings 3 and 4. So the F's the same, 2 bars. Okay. Try and get the feel right once you've learnt all the notes. But then we go back to C, hold that down, play strings 3 and 5, and then add the 3rd fret on the top string, play that with the 4th string, then play the 3rd string, so 1, 2, and bass goes down to the 6th string, 3rd fret of course, then play the 4th string, the 1st string, 3rd fret, then the 4th string, then the 2nd, so that's like 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, and then keep that 3rd fret held down on the top string. Bring the 5th string back in, 3rd fret. Play that with the 1st. Then play the 2nd string. And then strings 1 and 4 together. Then 2. Bass goes down to the 6th string. Play that with the open top string, 1st string. Then play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then the 4th string. So that bit there is. Okay, so altogether that's C. Like that. So far you've gone. Okay, back to F. This time strings 2 and 6, and then that 3rd fret on the 2nd string with the 4th string. Back to the 1st fret on the 2nd string, and then bass, and then 3 and 4. Okay, and then 3 and 6 together, and then just like before. So bringing that 3rd fret on the 2nd string again with the 4th string, down to the 1st fret on the 2nd string, bass, and then strings 3 and 4. Okay, so. And then we go back to our C. Okay, 3rd fret on that 1st string, bring that into, and play strings 3 and 5, then 1 and 4, then the 3rd string, bass goes down, 1st string again, then the 4th, and then the 2nd. So that's. Okay, bass goes back to the 5th string, play that with the 1st string, then the 2nd, then the 4th, and then strings 1 and 2 together. Bass goes down to the 6th string, 1 and 2 again, and then the 4th string. So quite tricky, but you've gone like that. Okay, so far like that. Then we're going to an E, and you've got that. So just start by holding down an E, play strings 1 and 6, then 4, then 1, then 5, 2, 1 and 4, and then 2. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and then 6, open 3rd, play that, and then hammer down the 1st fret on the same string, the 3rd string, and then as it lands, play the 4th string. So like, okay, so 1 and 2, followed by 2nd string, then 1 and 5 together, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then 4th string. So the second half there, you've gone all together. Quite tricky, but that's what you've played. Back to our F, and you've got so our F, strings 2 and 6, up to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, play that with the 4th string, back down to the 1st fret on the 2nd string, and then bass, and then strings 3 and 4. So, and then for the next bar, we play strings 3 and 6, bring that 3rd fret on the 2nd string back in, play it with the 4th string, and then back to the 1st. So that's the same so far. Then play the 6th string, back to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then the 4th string. So all together there on the F, you've gone like that. Okay, so then you've just got 4 more bars left. To C, play strings 1 and 5, and then 4, 3rd fret on the top string, 1st string, and then 6th string, 4th string. So, and then, so that's over a G. You just need the 3rd fret on the 6th string held down, but I also hold down the 3rd fret on the 2nd string because we're going to play that in just a second. Play strings 6, 3, 1 and 4. Remember the 1st string's open. Then play that 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So then 1 and 6, 2, 4, and then we're going to a C chord and play the 2nd string. So okay, and then as I say, on C, play strings 5, 3, 4, 3, move the bass to the 6th string, play that, then the 3rd string, and then 2nd fret on the 5th string, and then 3rd string again. So you've gone okay, and then back to our C, you can play the bass, and then C7. So hold down C7, and you can just play strings 3 and 4. And that's it. So that last bit from the G, that's it. From there, it starts all over again. Sometimes when you listen to the song, you'll hear him play extend it a little bit more. So there I just played the bass and then strings 3 and 4, 5 and 3, and then 3 and 4 again, and then the progression all goes round again. Sometimes he does it as I showed you the first time. He's probably just mixing it up as and just doing kind of what feels right at the time. But if you want to be super accurate, just listen to the song. But anyway, that's it. That's how you play maybe a pallet on your floor, and from there it just goes round again. So we have played from the start. And it's important to get the feel. So kind of make it nice and bouncy, mute the bass notes as you work your way through, and add a bit of snap to it. And you'll get it. But there you go, that's how you play Make Me a Pallet on your floor. Okay, so there you go. That's it for this lesson. Hope that you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com where we've got hundreds more lessons. Of course, all on fingerpicking for the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced player. So whatever level of playing you're currently at, there's bound to be something that's going to take your fingerpicking to the next level. So check it out. But that's it for right now. Thanks so much. I'll see you again.